So yes, my beautiful people. See over at boss ground there, he clean up here so where the carrot did there. Yeah man. So I'm gonna put in some new crop as I can see, you know. And him put in crop in it already. Pumpkin, cucumber, as I can see, you see it? Yeah man, see boss have some banana there come. Yeah man, ripe banana. So yes guys, it's a good look. I'm going to carry on go over the next part, I'm going to see what I'm going. So just stay tuned and watch what I'm going. And thank you all for like, subscribe and share, you know. Yeah man, a straight peace and love every time. Yeah.
Yes guys, and thank you all for liking, commenting, subscribing, and all of that. Thank you very much for your support. Guys, I realize I don't really see me much, but I don't know how it go already, you know. But here I am, just giving my, appreciation to all of you guys. Thank you guys. Mwah. Love you all.
Yes man, that is it my beautiful people. So yes guys, so see what I go on there. Yeah man. See boss have two nice lovely pumpkin. That is it man. Yes man, so you know, so in time they're up and running guys, we buy them, you know. So feel free, anybody there here in Manchester want food to buy, feel free man. Yes man, I don't know a thing go. Whole heap of pumpkin over there now guys, but you know pumpkin stay, you can't do go in it, tap up, you know. Yes man, it's a good look man, very nice look. So I'm gonna see what I go on the next side. Let's watch how I go on.
No.
So yes guys. No. Yeah man. See string peas on there. Yeah. But string peas all up here. See that? Yeah man. See carrot them there. Nice and pretty. You know? Yeah man. You see all them wild callaloo here guys. They're nice, you know man. Them callaloo here, may I tell you, so they're nice, look. Yeah man. We did link up with Kevin today guys, but through him busy. Yeah, end up on the next side of the farm there, you know. Nice lovely carrot. See that guys? Yeah man. May I tell you say the place look nice. Yeah man, so that is it guys. Me just go now update and make you know how I go on. I'm gonna show you the boss Irish too. Same way. Yeah man. So yes guys, see boss string peas there, as I can see. Yes man, a whole heap of things are gonna go on guys. You guys you know so I blend the string peas them too and drink it, mix it. Yeah man, it's nice, you know, healthy. Yes man, string peas. Yeah man. Cocoa. See callaloo here I telling you about. Nice me I telling you. Me soon cut out some. You see me? Yeah man, and cook some. Me that tell him how they. I say, yes man, we're gonna eat them off, you know. Because so they're nice and I eat them too. Yeah. So I see Irish them there. See place clean up and looking good. Yes man. So I don't know a thing go. Irish. Yes man. So until then guys, that is it man. Just an update me I go now, make you see what I go on. So I just sketch you back out on the road when Noya get the taxi. Peace and love. Yes guys, so Noya finally I go get the taxi now. Yeah man. Alright. So yes guys, so until then, I'm just stay tuned and watch how I go on. Peace and love.